It's time now to go inside innovation. Allegion Ventures has added more innovative companies to its investment portfolio. Boston-based HQO, Robin Powered Inc., and Pindrop. Pleased to welcome back to the show Allegion Ventures President Rob Martens with details on the new additions and tech trends and opportunities that he is seeing in Indiana and beyond. And as always, Rob, welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me, Gary.
I should mention Allegion Ventures is the venture capital arm of Allegion PLC, a multi-billion-dollar global security company, which actually has roots connecting back to the Ingersoll Rand days here in Indianapolis.
Yep, absolutely. We've been manufacturing in the Indy area for over 100 years, so in our Von Duprin business.
Let's talk about Allegion Ventures. 2 years old, I think, roughly?
Yeah, March 2018.
Okay.
Yep.
The idea, $50 million fund, you launched it with a pretty ambitious idea to go out there and really seek out some innovative companies.
Yeah, a fund founded by our CEO, Chairman, and President, Dave Petraeus, a real focus on discovery, maybe a little bit different than your typical corporate venture fund. Really about connecting our employees with entrepreneurs and believing that if we find the right connection, that's going to turn out to be a great financial relationship.
As I mentioned in the intro, you recently added three funds to your investment portfolio.
Yes, we actually added three. One based out of Georgia called Pindrop, which is a voice authentication solution where they can focus in on providing a little bit better customer experience, if you will. So instead of talking to your voice assistant to open the door and having it ask you for a PIN number, it can identify who you are. This has historically been used in contact centers and things like that, but we found a way to bring that over into the security space.
These three firms you're investing in, kind of adding to what we were talking off camera, you said this pipeline, the investment pipeline is pretty robust.
Very robust. We see an incredible amount of innovation in this IoT space. Lots of digital and physical convergence, which creates tons of opportunities in the market.
In terms of, or in addition to your role as president of Allegion Ventures, you're also a futurist for the parent company, if you will. You talk about IoT. I know you see that in Indiana as really something with phenomenal potential.
Absolutely. I think the Internet of Things, or IoT, or sometimes you might even hear industrial IoT, is right in the sweet spot for a state like Indiana. We have people who really understand how to build physical things, and they build them well. When we start to merge software, digital technology and hard tech, sometimes the water gets a little frothy, but with the help of companies and partners, people like High Alpha that are introducing software into the community, entities like TechPoint, we start to see a convergence of people who understand not only the app side of software, but the brains, the firmware, the embedded software that allows those two things, the app and the hardware, to work together seamlessly. Yeah. And in our case, that delivers what we consider to be a more seamless access experience.
Rob Martens is a futurist at Allegion, also the president of Allegion Ventures. And Rob, as always, welcome to the program and congrats on the investments. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you so much.
All right.